Hey, get back in the car. I'm not gonna do it.
No,
yes, you are. Okay,
don't touch me. Don't touch me. My son's in the house. Can you get off of me?
No, put your hand.
I've been in an abusive relationship, dude. You're not gonna do this to me now. Get off me. No, I have PTSD.
East Peoria officers were on routine patrol when they observed a vehicle run a stop sign in a residential neighborhood. Police initiated a traffic stop, but the driver pulled into her driveway, and what began as a simple traffic violation quickly escalated when the woman refused verbal commands and resisted officers' attempts to detain her, leading to an on-scene arrest in front of her son.
Yeah, you didn't stop at that stop sign. No, you didn't. Be 419. Hey, get back in the car. I'm not gonna do it.
No,
yes, you are. Okay.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. You're on camera, dude. You better get off me. No, you better get the fuck up off me.
Get on the ground. You are lawfully
my motherfucking son. No, I'm not.
Yes, you
I was not pulled over on the motherfucking road.
419 she's resisting. 419.
Dude, I swear to God,
I'll get a lawyer.
My uncle's a lawyer, so go ahead.
That's fine. Put your hand behind your back.
You just slammed my head into the fucking ground, dude. My son's in the fucking house. Can you get off of me?
No, put your hand behind your back.
You did not pull me over on the street.
Yes,
I am in my motherfucking driveway.
Put your hand behind your back.
No, I'm not. You
Yes,
can get off me.
Okay.
I swear to God, I'll sue you. You better get off me, dude.
Put your hand.
Yes, yeah.
Put your hand behind your back.
Buddy, go. Tell him to call a cop.
Edmund.
Tell him I want the officer. I want a supervisor now.
Okay. Put your hand behind
No, I'm not, dude. I stopped at the stop. You better get your motherfucking knee off me.
I'm gonna tell you this. I'm gonna tape out of you if you don't stop.
I've been in an abusive relationship, dude. You're not gonna do this to me now. Get off me.
Stop.
No, I have
Go to your side.
PTSD. Get off me.
Over to your side.
I'll stand up. I'll cooperate.
Go
Get
to your
off of
side.
me. No. You did not pull me over on the
to your
street.
side.
I was already in my parking
It
spot.
doesn't matter.
Yes, it does. I know the law.
No, you don't.
Yes, I do, dude.
You were lawfully.
No, I'm not. You did not pull me over on the street. You didn't pull me over on the street.
Just stop.
No, I stopped at that stop sign. You just ain't got nothing else better to do.
You did not stop.
Yes, I did.
I watched you.
I literally just got off of work. I stopped for 5 seconds and I went.
Okay, well now you're going to jail.
No, I'm not. I stopped at the stop sign.
Grab her, roll her over.
No, he did not pull me over on the street.
Roll over.
No, I'm not. He didn't pull me over on the street.
Alright, I'm gonna take you.
He did not pull me over on the street.
Roll over.
I was already pulled in the parking spot.
Thank you. I got my cuffs. Just give me a second.
I was in the driveway.
Go
He
inside.
did not turn the lights on until I got in the driveway. I stopped at the stop sign.
15 more times.
That's good for now.
Yep.
You're 10 for 14, you can sit in.
He didn't pull me over on the street. This is
Go ahead and search.
this is illegal.
We're going to roll you over and
No,
stand you up, alright?
this is illegal.
Go and stand up.
This is illegal.
Yeah, work with me and stand up.
Alright, now sit on your butt. We're gonna stand you up.
Why not go ahead and return? You got her in custody.
This is illegal.
You double walk this.
Yeah, double locked him.
No, this is illegal.
Okay, we're going to step over here.
You can put her in my car.
He tried to slam me into the van, didn't even let me stop or nothing. This is illegal.
Did they not return it?
Ashley,
Yeah,
what's up
you
if
want
they can
to.
pull you over in the parking spot?
Hey, you got anything on you?
No, I just got off work and I stopped at that stop sign.
Hey, I'm not.
Wait, I did you advise to resume here?
Yes, you can resume it.
No.
Didn't I say it?
I've said it like 3
I
times.
stopped at the stop sign.
Just saying everything back here is audio video recorded, okay?
Yeah, go ahead. Can you please loosen these?
That's your time.
Yes, like he slammed my head into the ground for no reason. I stopped at the stop sign for 5 seconds and then I went. He wasn't even there close to me. He did not see me get to the stop sign.
Alright, that's going to be enough space for you. I can fit 2 fingers in here, alright?
He got rough with me for no reason.
I can fit 2 fingers in these too. Alright. Your little chain fell off in here.
Yeah, he broke
You want me
it.
to take this off here? Or you want to leave this on?
I literally have to get my hair and everything done today. I have an appointment with my son and I have physical therapy. I am talking to you.
Okay, then you're just gonna get another charge.
No, I'm not. You did not pull me over on the road.
I did. It's not illegal. Okay. That's fine. I'm just gonna wait for Warren to get here. He can talk to her and then. Oh well. But she knows the law. She knows her rights, so it's usually how it goes. She said she has PTSD for whatever reason, and so yeah. Did it? What's up? So, ooh. Long story short, I went to stop her over here at the stop sign because she just blew through it. She went right through it. I came down here to pull her over, flipped the lights on, whatever. She gets out. She's like, "You can't pull me over. I'm in my driveway now." I'm like, "No, that's not how it works. Get back in your car." Da da da. She says, "No." I'm like, "Yes, you are." No. I grab her. She pulls away, and then I slammed her to the ground. Well, I tripped her. I just. So, right now, resisting and obstructing. So, she's on this side. She went through this stop sign back here. Well, I tried calling out traffic, and then they just didn't say nothing.
Did you get her info?
Okay. I just.
That's who I ran.
No, I'm cool.
Short. Well, I don't know who he's talking about.
Yeah, that's not.
I ain't talking to you.
Okay, then you're just gonna get another charge.
No, I'm not. You did not pull me over on the road. That was illegal. No, you didn't. I was already parked. You can't pull me over when I'm already parked.
Hey, Hunt, our sergeant's here. He's going to talk to you. I'm assuming you want to talk to him.
Yes, I do.
Can I get your name, though?
Yes, I was already parked and I got out. And he literally slammed me into the van for no reason.
M-U-N-S-O-N?
Yes.
Short. Ma'am,
Yes.
when we pull you over, if you're in your driveway, that doesn't mean
I was
that
already
you don't-
parked and I got out. He
What's
didn't
that?
even have the lights on. Before, as soon as I got out, he flipped them on.
But I'm being told that I'm the sergeant, that you told him that you didn't have to listen to him because you're in his driveway.
No, I told him that I was already parked. And I know my law. If you're parked, then no, he can't do this to me. He slammed me. When did they do that? No, I promise you. I can put that on my kids. I did not run the stop
That's what
sign.
we have court for, but you cannot resist arrest. And the law in the state
I
of
wasn't
Illinois...
arrested. That's the thing. He slammed me before he even did anything. He didn't read me my.
Here's what I'm going to tell you.
He didn't read me my rights either. No.
We don't have to read your rights. And you
Yes,
do
you
not have
do.
to, can I speak, or are you going
I'm
to talk
sorry.
over me?
I'm just.
Okay.
No.
Then I
Go
won't
ahead. Go
talk
ahead,
to you.
please.
What I'm trying to explain to you is in Illinois, even if it's an unlawful arrest, you do not have the right to resist arrest. Okay?
slammed my
That's
head
where
into the
we're
ground.
at. Well, but you do not have the right to resist arrest. Okay? We're going to move from here. We're going to figure it all out, but I just need you to remain calm and understand just because you're in your driveway, you cannot
He
resist
did
arrest.
that in front of my son.
Okay. All right. Well, that's
I
on
had
you too.
PTSD.
You did not have to resist in front of your son.
He slammed
Okay,
into
we're
the
done
van
talking. We're
before.
done talking.
You're not
We're
listening to me
done
because
talking.
he works
Well,
for
you're not-
you.
No,
That's why.
not what I'm doing. You're not listening to me because
I
you broke
stopped.
the law.
No, I didn't.
Okay?
I never break the law. Check my driving record. I always stop. I am cautious when I drive. I don't want him taking me. Put me in a different car, please.
What are you doing? Right through the stop sign. Right through the stop sign.